Hi everybody, it's Robbie, and today I wanted to share this video on something I do that I think is important for a lot of people to do. It could possibly even save your life or save you from getting sick. A lot of us carry water bottles for multiple reasons. The issue is if you've got this in a shopping cart or sit it somewhere and somebody sneezes, then you've got this exposed to now viruses and bacteria. If your hands have been touching doorknobs, money, shopping carts, anything, and you go to reach for it and you open it up and drink water, you have exposed yourself without even realizing. Here is a simple protective cap water bottle that I make. I want you to watch this video. I want you to make them. I want you to get your friends to make them. Make some for your friends. You will know with this that it is 100% protected. It is covered, and when you go to unscrew it and take a drink, you know that you are not ever handling the top, and it is completely protected. So please watch the following video. We are in somewhat of a crisis, and I think it's important that we understand that we could give ourselves something without even realizing it. And I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you pass this on. This is the easiest craft you will ever make. So this is how easy it is to make. You can use your favorite type of water if you buy a lot of them, so this way they'll all fit, or you can use a juice bottle. I prefer a juice bottle. You're going to take the cap off. You're going to make 2 holes. I use a soldering iron. You can use a hot knitting needle or a hot nail that's been heated up over a flame. Then you're going to make 2 holes about the same on the bottom of a cup, a plastic cup. The cup has to fit the water bottle. You'll see as we go. Then a wire that's going to be long enough to work with. You're not going to need that much wire, but you will need it to work with it. You bend it and you slip it through the bottom of the cap, the inside of the cap. And that's all you have to do. Just make sure it's on the cap. Now you're going to slip it through the plastic cup. Just make sure it's lined up straight so the wires are straight. Once it's straight, you know it's ready to go. Then you take a glue gun, a hot glue gun, and you put a good dab of glue there. Now you can use aquarium sealer, but it will take longer to dry. That's all. That's it. Now it's in there. Hold it until it gets hard and the glue is dry. Once it's dry and you know that it's ready to go, just twist the wire. That's all there is to it. You're practically done with this whole craft. Just twist the wire, make good and strong. So that's it's going to hold that cap good. You're going to cut the leftover wire and press it down so it's out of your way. And from there, you can do anything you want. You can put a piece of duct tape on top, but I put another dollop of hot glue, and you can put anything you want on the top. You can decorate it, and I just put a penny on there for a penny for your thoughts. And that's it. You're done. You now have a protective cover for your water bottle, and if you're not near your water bottle, look at that. Nobody can cough or get anything on the top. Even your hands will be clean to handle your own water bottle. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share this video with people. It is very important to get the word out, because when you're out, you may not have wipes. You may not be able to clean your hands. But one thing you will always know is the water that you took with you is clean. Nothing has touched the top. It has been completely covered the entire time you had it with you. And even if somebody walked by, touched it, a child that maybe was sick, somebody coughed on it, your water is protected. The whole top of your bottle is protected. So with that, have a wonderful day. Make one of these, spread the word, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.